using the corona time for your best future, thinking about our country and becoming ready to serve our country in future. Now also we are serving, now we should also serve, but in future you should have a aim, and with that aim, your final aim or your main aim should be this, that whatever I become a doctor, I become a engineer, I become a IITian, I become a teacher, I become anything else. So whenever I become that person what I need, so the first condition will be that country first. After that, everything will be there, and so I know you all are doing the same and keeping the same views. So now we will start our today's video with exercise 6.1 question number 2. So what is question number 2? See, in the figure 6 point given on the blackboard, line x, y and mn intersect at point O. If POY is 90 degree, angle POY is given to us, that is 90 degree, and A is to B is 2 is to 3. See here, what we have given, that all we will write. What is given to us? Number 1, that lines x, y and which one? X, y and mn intersects at point O. This one is point O. Then again we have given angle POY is equals to 90 degree, and the second thing is given, that is A is to B is equals to 2 is to 3. And what we have to find? We have to find the value of C. So see here, MN and XY intersecting at point O. So angle B is vertically opposite angle to angle NOY. ठीक है, बाद में POY is 90 degree. So POX will also be a 90 degree. means A plus B कितना होगा? 90 degree होगा. बाद में B and C forms a linear pair. So we have come with C. Now we can find it easily C. So first we will take that let the value of A 2 is to 3 दिया है, so A is equals to 2x and B is equals to 3x. Right? Now see here, XOY is a straight line. So what we can write here? Number 1, angle POY plus angle POX is equals to 180 degree. Why? Linear pair. ठीक है? Linear pair. Now after that what we can write? POY क्या है? 90 degree. That is given to us, plus POX, what we can write? A plus B equals to 180 degree. इस 90 को उधर दे दो, यहाँ क्या बचेगा? A plus B is equals to 90 degree, right? Then we know the value of A and B. What is A? 2x plus what is 90 degree. So x is equals to 90 by 5, and what is 90 by 5? It will be 18. So we got x is equals to 18. x का वैल्यू कितना मिल गया अपने को 18. Now we know that we have to find out c. So relation between b and c is linear pair 180 degree. So we can now find out b is 3x. So we can find out the value of b now. But b is equals to 3x. 3x means 3 into 18. Right? So what will be 3 into 18? 8 3s are 24. 3 1s are 3 and 5 means b is equals to 54 degree. Correct? Now we got b. Now b plus c we can write. Now we can write what? Angle MOX plus angle this one XON is equals to 180 degree. Right? Reason you know. What is the reason? That linear pair sums 180 degree. Then MOX is what? B plus XON is what? C is equals to 180 degree. We know what is B. B is 54 degree plus C is equals to 180 degree. Now angle C is equals to 180 minus 54. What is 180 minus 54? It is 126 degree. So the value of C is 126 degree. Okay? Have you understand? Okay, chalo. Next problem. Next, let us see. No, I will drop only. Question number 3rd. What is question 3rd? See. Question number 3 is angle POR is equals to angle. This is given figure. This is PQR triangle. This is T and this one is S. Okay, question number 3rd. Now what is given to us? Angle PQR is equals to angle PRQ. What we have to prove? To prove, we need to prove that angle PQS is equals to angle PRT. See here, PQR, this angle is equals to PRQ, this one. We have to show that angle PQS means this one is equals to PRT. Now how we go? We have linear pair, we have vertically opposite angles, many more things are there with us. So see, these two forms linear pair, these two forms linear pair. So we will go with linear pair, we will try to show what is asked to us. These two forms linear pair equals to 180 degree. These two forms linear pair equals to 180 degree. दोनों का RHS क्या आ रहा है? 180 मतलब सेम आ रहा है. तो RHS सेम आ रहा है, LHS भी सेम हो गया, मतलब ये इक्वल्स टू ये हो गया. ठीक है, सम ऑफ दिस टू इज इक्वल्स टू सम ऑफ दिस टू, राइट? लेकिन उसके अंदर ये दोनों इक्वल दिए हैं, तो दिस टू विल गेट कैंसल. व्हाट वी प्रूव? दिस टू, बट वी रिक्वायर. सो वी विल गो बाय दैट ओनली. प्रूफ. So let's start. What I have told that equation number 1, angle PQR plus angle इक्वल्स टू 180 डिग्री। रीजन आपको पता है, लीनियर पेयर। ओके, नाउ second one, what is second one? Angle PRQ plus PRT. PRQ plus angle PRT is equals to 180 degree. Reason, यहाँ भी सेम रीजन रहेगा, लीनियर पेयर, राइट। नाउ in equation 1 and 2 both of them RHS is same, RHS same है तो LHS भी कैसा होगा, same। so write what we can write, therefore angle PQR plus angle PQS is equals to angle PRQ plus angle PRT. Reason, from 1 and 2, ठीक है, from 1 and 2। now what we can do here, PQR is equals to PRQ, अपने को क्या शो करना है, PQS is equals to PRT ये शो करना है। ये दो चीजें नहीं चाहिए अपने को, तो ये दो चीजें कैंसिल करनी है। कैंसिल कैसी होगी, PQR और PRQ के बीच में रिलेशन देखो, both are same, so I can replace PQR by PRQ or I can replace PRQ by PQR. So let us replace PQR plus angle PQS is equals to PRQ के जगह पे क्या लिख सकता हूँ मैं, PQR, angle PQR plus angle PRT, ठीक है। डाटा from where I have written it, from data। now these two will get cancelled and this get cancelled, therefore angle PQS is equals to angle PRT. Understand? Hence it has been proved. Okay, चलो नेक्स्ट ट्राई करते हैं। Question number 4. These are very easy problems. Just we should know the property and we should know property and we should also know how to use the property. That is the important thing. तो आपको प्रॉपर्टी लर्न है और आपको पता है प्रॉपर्टी यूज कैसा करना है, तो दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉब्लम। तो आपको जब तक आप प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं करके देखोगे आपको पता नहीं चलेगा कि हाउ टू यूज द प्रॉपर्टी। ओके, एंड आई हैव टोल्ड यू दैट यू should first go with the 7th standard different types of books and you should solve this type of problem, that this problem will go very easy to you then। okay, next question number 4। here this one is straight line, A, B, C, D, it's X, here there is Y, here there is Z, and this one is W. So what is given to us? See, if is given to us, that is x plus y is equals to w plus z. If this is given to us, then prove that। to prove क्या करना है, देखिए that AOB is a line। AOB ये लाइन बता रहा है। अब AOB लाइन बता रहा है मतलब ये AOB है, this AOB here O is there, AOB is a line, this line we have to show, means what we have to show, x plus y 180 है, मतलब ये 180 है या ये क्या है their non-common arm forms a straight line. तो ये दो non-common arms से AO and OB, this will form a straight line, right? So we need to prove x plus y is 180 or w plus z is 180, any one from that. So we have given this much, we will use this and we will prove. Now proof. Now what we have, see, now this whole sums how much degree? 360 degree. You agree with that? That means x plus y plus z plus w is equals to 360 degree. अगर आपको रीजन लिखना है तो क्या लिखोगे रीजन यहाँ पे आप, that complete angle measures how much? 360 degree. अब इसके बाद में x plus y is equals to w plus z. x plus y is equals to w plus z means we can write x plus y के जगह पे w plus z लिख सकते हो, or we can replace w plus z instead of x plus y. Means both we can replace. So see here I am replacing x plus y keeping as it is. Instead of z plus w I am writing again x plus y is equals to 360 degree. ये मैंने कहाँ से चेंज किया? This is data. What is data for us? That x plus y is equals to w plus z. Now x plus y कितने बार आया? दो बार. Means we can write 2 in bracket x plus y is equals to 360 degree. Right? Now send 2 to that side. Now x plus y is equals to 360 divided by 2. Now 360 divided by 2 is what? It is equals to 180 degree. So x plus y is 180. x plus y 180. ये क्या रहेगा? 180. जो दोनों भी कैसे इक्वल है? और अगर x plus y 180 है, therefore AOB is a line. Hence prove. ठीक है? समझ में आ गया? कोई प्रॉब्लम है आपको? ठीक है? ऐसा ये प्रॉब्लम आपने सॉल्व किया दोनों भी, तो इसमें आपको कोई भी दिक्कत जाती होगी तो मैंने आपको बोला है कि if you have any queries then you must ask to me. Okay? Now we'll see the next few problems I think remain. I think question 5 and question 6 one is remain. That we will see in next video. ठीक है? और मैं आपको बार-बार बोल रहा हूँ, make your basic clear, study as much possible, क्योंकि अभी अपना ज्योमेट्री पार्ट स्टार्ट हो चुका है and geometry needs practice. Geometry no, mathematics needs practice. And if you will do practice, it's my challenge that your mathematics will be very easy and very interesting subject. ठीक है? So do practice. We'll see the remaining problems in next video. Okay? चलो, thank you very much.